Welcome to this quick start guide for TSplus remote access. In this short walkthrough, we'll cover the basics, from installation to user creation, and finally, getting connected. Let's start with the installation. First, download TSplus remote access from the official website. Once the download is complete, run the setup tsplus.exe installer. You'll be prompted to reboot the server. This final step completes the setup. After the restart, you'll notice new TSplus icons on your desktop. This confirms that TSplus remote access is installed and ready. At this point, TSplus runs as a corporate edition trial, allowing up to 5 concurrent users for 15 days. Next, let's create a user. Open the TSplus AdminTool, then go to System Tools and select Users and Groups. From here, create a new user by choosing a username and password. If you don't want users to change their password at every login, you can disable the password change requirement. You can also enable options like password never expires or user cannot change password, depending on your security needs. Now let's look at connection options. Seamless applications, remote app, and browser-based access through the TSplus web portal using either Windows or HTML5 clients. Finally, instead of giving users a full desktop, you can publish specific applications. From the Applications tab, assign individual applications to users or groups so they only see what they actually need. And that's it, your TSplus server is now installed, configured, and ready to use. For more information and advanced documentation, please visit our website, tsplus.me.